Hi there, hope you have a fantastic day today. This lesson I'm going to teach you how to work out monthly loan repayment. Of course, there's a PDF file version on the description below for you to download so you can work with me. Otherwise, let's go straight into it. First one, the table it shows the monthly repayment for borrowing $1,000. For example, so if you borrow $1,000, so let's say 6% per year and for 10 years. So this means that for 10 years, we have to look at these 10 columns here. And for 6%, we look at the 6%. And this is the one that we need to pay. So which is $11.10. So if you borrow $1,000 for 6% per annum, that means you have to pay $11.10 every month for the next 10 years. Okay, so keep that in mind. So if you borrow $2,000, that means you pay double of that amount. That is $11.10 times 2, so $22.20. But if you borrow $5,000, you 5 times that amount, okay? So let's get into this question. Samantha borrowed $70,000 at 8% per annum for 15 years. So 15 years, we need to look at this column here. That is 15 years. And then at 8% per annum, so we look at this row here. Okay, so therefore, this is the amount that Samantha need to pay. So $9.56 for every $1,000 that she borrowed. But in this case, she borrowed $70,000. So let me just setting out first. So if we borrow $1,000, we need to pay $9.56 per month. Okay, but in this case, Samantha borrowed $70,000. So 70,000. So to work out the scale factor from 1,000 to 70,000, we times 70. Otherwise, we can just use calculator. So 70,000 divided by 1,000. So that is 70 times, okay? So from 1,000 to 70,000, you times 70. So therefore, I need to times by 70 on the right-hand side as well. So just go answer times 9.56. So that is 669.2. So therefore, Samantha have to pay $669.20. So that is Samantha have to pay $669.20 every month. So the answer is B here. Second one, Zing borrowed $250,000 to buy a house. The interest rate and the monthly prepayment for her loan are shown in the spreadsheet. So if you look at the table here, the spreadsheet here, so this first column is month, and then we have the amount that she borrowed, that is principal, and then the interest charged every month, and then this is the balance that before she repaid the amount. So therefore, after the payment, that is the monthly repayment, so that will give the final balance. That is the amount that she owed at the end of each month, okay? So now we have a look at this. Here, she paid $1,871.94 every month, and then the interest rate is 7.65%. So the question is, what is the total interest charge for the first 4 months of this loan? So to work it out, so we just need to add, okay, this first month, second month, third, and fourth. We just need to add this column. That will give us the answer because we just need to work out the interest for the first 4 months. We know that at the beginning, she owed $250,000. And at the end of the month, she had to pay this much of interest. And then we add on top, that's how much she owed. But then she paid back $1,871.94 will be less that. So that will be the final balance, okay, at the end of the month. And then the second month, same process. She's starting up this amount, which is this amount here. And the interest charge is less because she owed a little bit less. And then the final balance, that is at the end of the month, she owed this much. Now we need to work out this blank space here. And then we fill this up. That's all we need. And then we add this column. Okay, that will give us the answer. So to work out this, so I just use this amount, that is how much you owe. We add the interest on top to give us this, and we just minus the monthly repayment. So the monthly repayment is this amount, okay? So just use calculator. So just go $251,032.04. We minus the monthly repayment, that is $1,800, and send you $1.94. So that is $249,160.10. That is the balance at the end of third month. So therefore, at the beginning of fourth month, the amount is the same as the end of the third month. So we just write this down. And to work out the interest, so interest is I is equal to PRN. The P is the amount that she owed. So that is 249,160.1 or 0.10, doesn't matter. We times by the interest rate. So the interest rate is 7.65%. Percent mean per 100. And then times by N. N is just 1 month. So we times by, so 1 month means 1/12 because the percentage is per year. So we need to convert month to years. So that 1/12, that give me years, okay? So that will give me, so I just go answer, that is the final amount. So I just go answer times 7.65%. And then I times by 1/12 or divide by 12 if you like. So there you go. So $1,588.40. So that is the interest for the fourth month. Now to answer the question, so what we need to do is we just add these number together, okay? Because these are the interest for the first 4 months. So let me just write this down. So now I just put down on a calculator. So I just go 1593.75 with plus 1591.98 plus 1590.19 plus the answer, that is the last number, which is $1,588.40, okay? That is $6,364.32. So that is $6,364.32. So there you go. So the answer is A. Please pause the video and try this one yourself. Hi, I'm back. How do you go? So let me go through it with you, okay? Before I do that, please do not forget to give me a thumb up and subscribe if you haven't done so you can help me to grow my channel. So let's get into this. So to calculate the total interest, we just need to calculate the total payment and minus the amount that he's borrowed. So that is $28,000. So to work out the total amount that he needs to pay, so first of all, we need to work out the monthly repayment first. So he borrowed $28,000 at 7% per year and for 4 years. So we know that for 4 years is 48 months. Otherwise, we just go 12 times 4. So that's 48 months, okay? Because you need to pay 48 payments, okay? So now we just look at how much you need to pay every month. So at 7%, so we go 7. So this column here. And he borrowed $28,000. So the amount of borrow is this column here. So he borrowed $28,000. So this is how much he borrowed. So therefore, he need to pay this amount every month. So he need to pay $670.49 every month. So let me just work this out. So the total payment is equal to, so every month he need to pay $670.49, and he pays that for 48 times. So that will give me, so just go 670.49 times 48. So that is $32,183.52. That is the total amount that he's paid back to the bank. Now, to work out the interest, so we just need to work out the total amount that he paid minus the amount that he borrowed. So in this case, he borrowed $28,000. So therefore, the total interest is equal to that will give me, so just go answer minus $28,000. So that is $4,183.52. There you go. I hope you got it correct. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.